Hi, do you want to become a data analyst? This is easy for anybody to become. It is an okay career. Anybody can switch into this. As far as computer science is concerned, this is the easiest for an economist to switch to, a business administrator to switch to, an accountant to switch to, even an historian will switch to this. You are a philosopher, you study philosophy in school, you can switch to become a data analyst. The reason why you see people that be in other fields for several years and all of a sudden they felt like coming into IT. They go for data analyst because within the space of 3 months, if you are dedicated, very dedicated, you can get that first job and start a new career in the world of information technology. I don't know if you already know, I've trained a lot of people and today they are working as data analysts. So many of them, cut across the world, Indians, Americans, Nigerians, Ghanaians, and many other countries. So the reason why I'm doing this video is to introduce you to this field of data analysis. How do you become a data analyst? Let me tell you. If you want to become a data analyst, the first thing is to learn basic statistics. The statistics you learned in secondary school will be very relevant here. Basic statistics, okay? After that, learn Excel. Excel is the foundation of data analysis because what you will be doing, you will be analyzing data. You will see a bunch of data, raw data, and you are asked to make a meaning from it so that management can use it to make decisions. It's like pre-machine learning, pre-data science. Data analysis is pre or the foundation of data science. That is machine learning. So Excel, which most of you already know in different computer school, is very vital. The first thing you should learn is Excel. This you can learn by yourself. And if you don't know, I can teach you. I can teach you Excel with advanced formulas and anything you need to know in Excel. I will teach you if you are ready. Thirdly, have knowledge of database management systems. Okay? Have knowledge of SQL, SQL query language or structured query language. Okay? I have a course on SQL which several students have taken in Udemy, udemy.com. I have 3 different courses on SQL. The one you need is SQL MySQL Master Bootcamp. That is a course. More than 23-hour course with very high rating. I can also teach you SQL 101. SQL, for some people, is very easy. For some people, it's difficult, especially if you don't know anything in IT, information technology. But I can break it down for you. Teach you everything, anything you need to know in SQL. And if you want to learn at your pace, you can buy my course in udemy.com or go to YouTube. There are free courses there which you can use to learn. But this particular course I'm telling you is structured. Okay? SQL, very important. Once you understand SQL, you should have knowledge of data visualization. Data visualization. What is data visualization? If you want to present your data in a visual format, because SQL will present it in a tabular form, which you call the data set. Okay? But when you want to visualize it, it's like when you use pie chart, bar chart, and many other visualization techniques, you use some visualization tools. The most common and highly recommended are the Tableau and Power BI. Power BI is from Microsoft, while this one is what? Is a different company. Either of this or both of them. The course I told you of, the SQL I told you of, the one I launched in Udemy, has Tableau. as part of the course. How to integrate SQL with Tableau. Very easy. Highly simplified. You can learn it. Once you master this, all you need to do is start building projects. But if you have that capacity, mental capacity to learn more, you go further into little programming. Programming like what? Python or R programming. R is a programming language for data analysis. Okay? Once you clear yourself with Python or R for data analysis, I have a course of Python too, which you can buy in Udemy. I can also teach you one-on-one. Okay? You are what? Your chance of landing a lucrative job is very high. Okay? When you learn Python. Especially in Python, if you learn some libraries such as NumPy and Pandas. These are two important libraries in Python you need for data analysis. I have a different course entirely on NumPy and Pandas. That is NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. I have a course of that, which you can use to move to the next level. Okay? Once you know all these things, all you need to do is to build what? A portfolio. Okay? That is all. You become a sought-after data analyst. All this will take you roughly 3 months. It depends on your availability to study and to practice. Okay? All these I mentioned, they are very easy. Remember, as I said, understand basic statistics. Once you understand basic statistics, go for Excel. From Excel, go for SQL. From SQL, you go for data visualization. From data visualization, you go for either Python or R programming. If you go for Python, don't forget these two libraries are very, very important. Once you are through with that, build yourself a portfolio to show your potential employer what you can do. I'm telling you, you are going to land a job. You can even be working from your home. Remote job. There are so many. Google it now. Just check. Just use that on your phone. Google. Data analyst salary in the UK. Data analyst salary in USA. Remote job for data analysts. Go to LinkedIn. You see a lot and a lot of offers waiting for somebody to feed them up. So if you are interested and you need assistance, you can DM me. I'm going to walk you through, show you the way until you land yourself in that dream job. Success. Thank you for listening. Bye.